Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about lines and slope, especially parallel and perpendicular lines. So let's start. Let's start with parallel lines. Question: how do we know when two lines are parallel? Like in this picture. So ano yung common nila? So the answer is, if the two lines are parallel, their slope must be the same. Ganun lang kasimple. Pag yung dalawang line ay parallel, automatic na yung slope nila ay magkamukha or equal. So let's have some examples. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals to 2x plus 1 and passes through the point 2, 2. So the solution. Para makagawa tayo ng equation ng line, kailangan natin ng isang point at saka ng slope. So meron tayong point, we have 2, 2. Now, meron ba tayong slope? Tingnan muna natin itong ating given na line. Sabi, gagawa tayo ng equation ng line parallel dito sa y equals to 2x plus 1 at dadaan sa point na 2, 2. Since sila ay parallel, meaning they have the same slope. Notice na yung y equals to 2x plus 1 is in the form y is equals to mx plus b. Therefore, yung m natin must be equals to 2 or yung slope ng line na yan is equals to 2. So we have a slope. Now, kung gagawa tayo ng equation ng line parallel to this line, kailangan yung slope ng line na yon ay 2 din. Nadadaan sa point na 2, 2. Okay, so we are now ready to make an equation of a line. So we will use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to the slope times x minus x sub 1. Substitute all the given values. We have y sub 1, ito yung 2. X sub 1, ito yung 2. Yung m, 2 rin. So lahat ay 2. Now simplify. We have y minus 2 equals to distribute yung 2. 2x minus 4. Lipat yung 2 sa kabila or plus 2 both side. We have y is equals to 2x minus 2. And we're done. Now to check if our answer is correct, gamit tayo ng Desmos. Kasi wala tayong mapapagtanungan. Sir, tama ba yung ginagawa namin? Parallel ba talaga to sa line na y is equals to 2x plus 1 at dumaan po ba sa point na 2, 2? So para i-check, before natin i-submit yung ating answer, gamit tayo ng online graphing calculator like Desmos. So yung number 1, gawin natin. So yung given natin ay 0.2, 2. So type lang natin ay 2, 2. So ito yung ating point. Okay. Next, lagyan natin ng label. Medyo maliit, lakihan natin ng bahagya yung label. Gawin natin tong 3. Okay, so ito yung point na 2, 2. Next, gawin natin yung given line. Yung line na given is y equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, ito yung given na line. So gagawa tayo ng equation ng line na parallel dito sa kulay blue na dadaan dun sa point na 2, 2. And that's our goal. And yung nakuha nating sagot is y is equals to 2x minus 2. So as you can see, yung ating green line na y is equals to 2x minus 2 ay parallel dun sa kulay blue na given natin and dumaan siya sa point na 2, 2. So ano ibig sabihin? Our answer is correct. So now let's move on to the second example. Find the equation of the line that is parallel, again parallel, to 2x minus 3y equals to 6 and passes through the point 0, 5. Okay, let's have the solution. Una, meron ba tayong point? And the answer is yes, meron tayong given na point na 0, 5. Next, meron ba tayong slope? And the answer is wala pa. Bakit? Kasi wala naman to sa slope-intercept form. So, ilipat muna natin siya sa slope-intercept form. So, madali lang gawin yan. Lipat natin ito sa kabilang side. Magiging negative 3y equals to negative 2x plus 6. Next, divide natin lahat by negative 3. Kasi dapat y lang yung nasa kabilang side. So, divide lahat by negative 3. We have y equals to negative 2x over negative 3 plus 6 over negative 3. Simplify natin. This is 2 over 3x minus 2. Now, in this case, yung kasama ng x, ito yung ating slope, which is 2 over 3. Now, meron tayong point, meron tayong slope. And notice na yung given point natin ay nasa y-axis or yung ating y-intercept. So, paano natin nalaman na ito ay y-intercept? Kasi yung x-coordinate niya must be 0. Okay? So, kung 0 yung x-coordinate, automatic na yung point na yan ay nandoon sa y-axis natin. So, gagamitin natin dito is y is equals to mx plus b o yung ating slope-intercept form. Substitute natin yung given natin. Yung slope natin ay 2 over 3 and yung y-intercept natin, ito yung 5. Simplify, we have y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 5 and we're done. Now, let's see if our answer is correct. Tandaan yung given, 2x minus 3y equals to 6 and 0, 5. Punta tayo kay Desmos. Gumawa na ako niyan kanina, so balikan na lang natin. Parallel example number 2. Okay, ito yung ating given. 0, 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 6. So, ito yung kulay black na line. So, gagawa tayo ng equation ng line na dadaan sa 0, 5 na parallel dito sa black line. And nakuha natin sagot, y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 5. Click natin, lagay natin ng graph. And there you go. Ito yung graph ng y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 5. Kung mapapansin, dumaan siya sa point na 0, 5 and parallel siya dun sa ating given na line na 2x minus 3y is equals to 6. So, ibig sabihin, our answer is correct. Now, let's move on to the next topic, which is the perpendicular lines. Now, how do we know when the two lines are perpendicular? Ganito ang itsura ng perpendicular lines. Two lines are perpendicular when they meet at a right angle. Kapag naka-form sila ng 90 degrees, automatic na they are perpendicular. Now, ano yung masasabi natin sa kanilang slope? When one line has a slope m, a perpendicular line has a slope of negative 1 over m. In other words, the negative reciprocal of the given slope. Pag sinabing negative reciprocal, for example, 2, ang negative reciprocal niyan is negative 1/2. Kung 3, negative 1/3. Kung 1/3, negative 3, and so on and so forth. So let's have some example para mas maintindihan natin. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y is equals to 2x plus 1 and passes through the point 2, 2. Kanina, parallel yan. Ngayon naman, perpendicular. Okay, so we have the solution. We have some point. Kailangan natin ng point para makagawa ng line and kailangan natin ng slope. Now, hindi 2 yung gagamitin nating slope. Bakit hindi 2? Kasi perpendicular yung hinahanap natin. So, ang kailangan natin ay negative reciprocal ng 2, which is negative 1/2. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayong slope. Okay? So, lagay natin sa ating point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. Substitute natin lahat ng values. 2, negative 1/2, and 2. Simplify natin. We have y minus 2 equals to negative 1/2 x plus 1. Kasi negative 1/2 times negative 2 is positive 1. Next, plus 2 both sides. We have y is equals to negative 1/2 x plus 3. And we're done. Now again, may question tayo, sir, tama po kaya ito? Since wala kang mapapagtanungan, nasa new normal tayo, so gamit tayo ng mga available resources para i-double check yung ating mga sagot. So, one way is to use Desmos. Tingnan natin yung ating example number 3, perpendicular number 1. Okay, so again, ito yung given natin. We have given point 2, 2. And yung ating line na y is equals to 2x plus 1, ito yung black line. Ang kailangan natin ay perpendicular dito sa kulay itim na line na dadaan kay 2, 2. So most probably, pag ganito yung line natin dapat. And yung nakuha natin sagot is y is equals to negative 1/2 x plus 3. Click natin kung saan siya dadaan. And there you go. Ito yung line na y is equals to negative 1 half x plus 3. Kung mapapansin, zoom out natin, yung dalawang line ay eksakto, parang pa-cross, and naka-form sila ng 90 degrees. And therefore, our answer is correct. So now let's move on to our last example. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equals to 6 and passes through the point 0, 5. Again, solution, kailangan natin ng isang point at saka ng slope. Ito yung point natin, 0, 5 given. Diyan siya dadaan, yung perpendicular line, sa 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Next, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, kunin natin ulit yung slope. So, lipat, divide both side by negative 3, simplify natin, 2 over 3x minus 2. Now, ang kailangan natin ay negative reciprocal ng slope. Bakit? Kasi ito ay perpendicular. So, ang kailangan natin dito ay hindi 2 over 3, kundi ang kailangan natin dito ay negative reciprocal ng 2 over 3, which is negative 3 over 2. Negative reciprocal. Ang reciprocal natin to, and then times by negative 1. Okay? So, baliktarin natin. 3 yung mapunta sa taas, 2 sa ibaba, and then lagay tayo ng negative. Now, we are now ready to make an equation of a line. Now, again, since na yung given point natin ay y-intercept, gamit na lang tayo ng slope-intercept form. Mas mabilis kasi yun. Y is equals to mx plus b. Substitute all the given values. We have y is equals to negative 3 over 2 para sa slope and 5 para sa ating y-intercept. Simplify, we have y is equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 5 and we're done. Again, double check natin yung ating sagot. Tandaang mabuti. 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Yung ating point na dadaanan ay 0, 5. Yung sagot natin, y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 5. Punta tayo kay Desmos. Tingnan natin yung ating example na last. Okay. So, ito ulit yung ating given. Ito yung ating black line na 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Check nga natin kung iyan yan. Yan nga. Next, ito yung ating point na 0, 5. Yung sagot natin ay y is equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 5. Dapat, dadaan siya dito sa point na 0, 5 and perpendicular siya dun sa ating given na line. Check natin. Okay. So, dumaan siya dun sa 0, 5 and perpendicular siya dun sa ating given na line na kulay itim. And therefore, our answer is correct. And that's all for today. As always, that's it.